The question tells us to write an equation in slope-intercept form and standard form for the line passing through the given point and parallel to x plus 3y equals 5. So what we want to look at is, since the lines are parallel, what we'll do is we'll consider the slope of the line that's given, and parallel lines have the same slope. So if we take the equation that's given to find the slope of this line, you'll solve for y. And the number that's in front of the x value is the slope of this line. So since our slopes are the same for parallel lines, then the slope of our line is negative 1/3. And then we're going to go through the point negative 1, 5 based on the given value here. So what we'll do is we'll need to find b. We know m, we need to know b. So y equals mx plus b. Use your given point where y is told to be 5, x is negative 1, and use m as negative 1/3. Now you'll solve for b. So you have 5 equals 1/3 plus b. Subtract 1/3. Get a common denominator, so think of 5 as 5 over 1. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 to get 15 over 3 minus 1 over 3. So b is 14 over 3. So we know from the given equation we were able to find that m is negative 1/3, and we just found that b is equal to 14 over 3. So for slope-intercept form, we'll say that y is equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to m is negative 1/3 times x plus our b is 14 over 3. To find standard form, that's ax plus by equals c. A is positive, and there are no fractions. So in slope-intercept form, move the x over to the left-hand side. So we'll add 1/3 x to the left-hand side, plus the y that was already there. Then multiply through by that 3 to get rid of your fractions. So you'll say 3 times the left-hand side and 3 times the right-hand side. Distribute that 3 in. We get x plus 3y equals 14. This is standard form. The only thing that would change for this problem, if it said perpendicular, then we would have taken this slope and used the negative reciprocal. So I'll say the perpendicular slope would be a positive because it's the opposite sign. Flip the fraction 3 over 1. So the perpendicular slope would have been 3. We would work this the same way, but we would use slope as 3 instead of negative 1/3. That's if the question asked for a perpendicular line.